Hello everyone, it's your boy Muhaya from Chinatown, ya habibi. Before I make this video, I have been to IKEA once and I was really surprised with the prices, how cheap they are. I'm going to show you the most expensive and the most cheapest products in IKEA, and I want you to compare it with your own pricing rate from your hometown. The only thing that I'm actually scared of, if they kick me out while filming. Let's pray, hopefully that does not happen, because I'm sure that you will like this video. So make sure that you like the video, subscribe and share. Just to support, ladies and gentlemen, if you are first time here, do not ever forget to subscribe. Alright, we have just entered. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. That means they have just opened the doors. At the sides of the escalators you have those bags, and at the other side over here you have this whole setup which will convince you to buy their home products. Bro, it's so big, man. Chinese people actually use this way to advertise their products always. At the side of the escalator, they either put products or they either put pictures of the products. Cutting board for 150 yuan. Do you think it's worth it? I can get this one in Taobao for 15 yuan. 150 for cutting board? Nah, that's waste of money right there. Even cook. Why am I even worried about cutting board? I think so. I found my future office. This one is a setup of an office, as you can see. And this setup, I think so, it cost around 1,500 for this whole setup. I don't think so. For the table is 1,500 for the table. But for the chair, it's a little bit expensive because those chairs are IKEA chairs. So it's 999, 1,000 plus 10 years warranty. But here are actually good for people who work in office. As you can see, you have your printer over here. Fuck, I cannot erase it. It's unerasable. Shit, guys, I fucked up. It's not erased and it's unerasable. Oh my goodness, I fucked up big time. Oh my goodness, it's unerasable, guys. It says over there, like, subscribe and share. I swear to God, I'm not making this up. Guys, I guess so I messed up. Guys. I really messed up in this. Oh, she just passed by me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No, I messed up big time. Made a mistake. I have to apologize. Did I go and apologize? It says over there, like, subscribe and share. And I fucked up. Gosh, shit, man. Goodness, I messed up big time. I cannot really... I'm really feeling guilty right now. You know what? It's IKEA. Who cares? Right? Let's just move on and tell you more about the products. Relax. Guys, I found the gaming room that you all are looking for over here, I guess. For $799. I guess so $799 is for the table. Those guys are smart, I swear to God. They will just put $799 on the table over here. And yeah, I messed up big time. I'm still thinking about it. Should I go ahead and tell them, yo, I made this mistake, or just run? Just show you those chairs and let me run after that. This chair over here is it cost around as you can see. You know what, the best thing to do is right now actually to run. I swear to God, the best thing to do is actually to run. This is the best thing that I can actually do right now. Yeah, I like this table, by the way. This table is actually a trendy table right now. Let me show you why. Because you can actually escalate the table. As you can see, you can increase the height of the table. And those chairs are actually office chairs, as you can see. This one over here costs around 2,000. This one over here costs around 2,499 for this chair over here, office chair. And I'm right now sitting on a table where you can actually increase the height of the table like this. And actually stand and work at the same time. Very lovely, innit? I think so. I think so. I have to run from here, guys. You know what? This one over here is I don't know what kind of room, but it has a nice bed, by the way. But this one over here, move girls. The big guy is coming to sleep. As you can see, this is a nice bed. You have wine over here. How much does this bed cost? 2,200. But of course, without the pillow, without everything, of course, just the bed costs around that price. You know what? Let me just try this bed. This bed is for kids and it costs around 999, 1,000 yuan. But not with the pillows, you know what I mean? People are sleeping, so don't worry, bro. It's all chills, go good. Okay, this is a whole room, as you can see. It's not any room. Wow. Wow. I like the bed. The bed costs around 4,499. Okay, I like this. I like this style.
还能坐上面换鞋、挂衣服。再来便就是一个可以任意组合的餐边柜儿。宜家的贝达系列就是这样啊，像乐高一样，可以根据你家的。
I really like the decoration of this place.
书墙可以敞开。宜家最强大的贝达。
Olle.
你看，它现在。
Olle. I think so the price of this cupboard is 1,170 for this whole cupboard. Wow. Olle. They have glasses inside over here. This is where you actually put your wine, I think so. This glass holder cupboard over here actually cost 4,829. We are talking about this whole cupboard, as you can see, 549. Okay, 5,129 for this whole thing. Wow, that's actually nice. You guys tell me if it is cheap or not, okay? This whole cupboard is actually for 1,330. Okay, we have over here a house. Oh la la. Don't be surprised. Chinese people like to sit over here and they just relax. This is like a family house, as you can see. Ah, the New Year's are coming. So for this one over here, I guess so it costs 549. And for the whole kitchen, it costs 5,330 for the whole cupboard, as you can see. What about the fridge? Let's just see the fridge. How to open the fridge? Ah, from here, I'm so sorry. Ulle, 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 ulle. They even put those imaginary boxes inside, as you can see. Oh, cola. They are empty. We have over here food over here, as you can see. Food packages. They'll just give you the imagination that you're already owning it. That's very nice. 8,000 yuan for this whole fridge. What do you think, guys? Is it cheap or expensive? At the moment right now, we are in the living room department. Everything over here is actually for the living room. Oh my god, look at this one. It's nice, man. The decoration is absolutely insane. Inside the room, the lights, the way it's actually organized is so nice, man. So for this small clock, I think so, which is not real clock. Let me see. Oh, it is real clock. 50 yuan for this one only. Wow. The good thing about it, you know, the TV actually shows you how to use this room, you know, and what are the features of this room, you know. It's more like a gaming room. What is this one? What does this TV show you? Oh, this TV will show you the kind of the sofa that you can actually choose. Oh, wait, let me see. English, yeah. English. I want to have this sofa. Oh, it shows you all the big sofas around over here, so you don't have to actually look for it and search for it. You can just choose them. The prices are like around 7,000, minimum 3,000, as you can see, for this sofa over here. I think so. It's nice, guys. You know, in China, you don't have to be shy. Look at that guy. He's sleeping on the sofa. I like the design of the living room. Every single detail of the living room is actually insanely crazy. Wow. I surely like it, man. I don't know if you all can hear me. The price is written over here. Oh my god, I really do love this kitchen over here. The way it's actually designed. The fridge is 6,000 yuan. Okay, a small fridge. Okay, cool. I'm okay with it. This one over here, the air filter is another 6,000. Over here is 1,700. Okay. And how much this one cost over here? This one over here will help you to open the alcohol, the red wine, if you drink red wine, which is totally haram. Most of the decoration at this moment right now is Chinese New Year decoration, because we are about to enter a Chinese New Year, so most of the decoration will be Chinese New Year decoration. Oh my god, look at this kitchen over here. Oh lord. Yeah, habibi. How much this one cost? Wallah, it's heavy. Shit, wallah, it's very heavy, bro. How much this one cost? This one cost around 279. This one over here, this living room is actually good for girls, you know. It's really good for girls. Look at the design. Okay, what is this one over here? Is a plate to hold I don't know what. Girl stuff, you don't know. We don't understand those things, bro. In every sofa, there should be a hair and there should be a scarf, I don't know for what. And of course, she should have an iPad. That's how you know you're in a girl house. Guys, I love those kind of chairs, you know. This is a new product. It's a sofa, at the same time it can become a bed. Same here, as you can see. It's a sofa, at the same time it can become a bed. It's over here, this one. It costs only around 3,799. That's extremely nice. I like those smart products. Oh my god. This is my favorite room, guys. I like the design. I like the way it's actually designed. It's getting hot inside over here. But you know, having a room like this will definitely relieve a lot of stress and pain. And of course, you got your setup over here, as you can see. At the top of there, you got a nice setup, the LED lights. Wow, I like the way it's actually designed. I love it. You got a cup holder at the corner over here. You got the TV at the side, as you can see. It's just very nice. Don't be shy, just sleep, bro. If you want to set a whole room like this, if I calculated with my brain, it might cost you around, let's just say, 50k RMB. Do you think it's worth it or no? And next to it, you have a room of an old person. If you have a grandfather, maybe this room is over here is a good choice for him, because he can put his old books over here. Guys, don't be fooled, okay? Don't be fooled, because this is only a setup, you understand? You have to have this kind of lightnings to get this kind of effects. It's all lightning games, you understand what I mean? If I put a white light over here, this room will never look like this. It's all lightning game. Those shoes benches, you can actually put your shoes inside. 300 yuan for this one over here. This one over here is actually useful cupboard, as you can see. You can keep it in your bedroom. 299 for this one? You kidding me? Then now what about this one? 499. So 299 for this one over here for 1, 2, 3 rooms. And for 6 rooms you can get it for the double price. It's called price game, ya habibi. They play with your mind. They tell you, hey, take this, take that. You have to be careful, like Starbucks. And let me tell you something. Most products in IKEA are actually manufactured in China. The prices are a little bit slightly cheaper than the prices which are in your hometown. You understand what I mean? Because most products in IKEA, they are actually imported from other countries into your hometown. Most of the countries. As you can see behind me, Chinese people, they bring tapes to measure that if the table will fit the living room, or the table will fit the whole place. As you can see, this table over here is really big, guys. Don't think it's small, because I'm using wide lens. That's why you think it's small, but it's really big. It's really big. Let me show you how big is it. You see, I'm like, I don't know how much meter, but I'm far, like 3 meters. It's really far. Can you hear my voice? I don't think so you can hear my voice, but it's okay. This table over here will cost you around 499, 5,000 yuan. They have different kind of sizes, as you can see. Oh my god, look at this room. It shows you. This one over here is like a house, guys. It's like a house. Let's just enter the house. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my house. This is my actually kitchen, okay? And this is where I actually hold my guests, my living room. And this is my mini living room where I do my vlogs. This is the door over there, as you can see, my new friends. And here in this place over here, is this female house? This is a toilet, guys. I take shower over here always, and I do my vlogging at the same time. Here is my bathroom, as you can see. Here is the mirror, and guess what? Behind the mirror there are stops, as you can see, where I actually use sometimes. This is my daily life routine. You know, I wake up in the morning, take shower. Here والله خفت حسبت في شخص أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق. I forgot to say that. Guys, whenever you enter the washroom in IKEA, you should say أعوذ بالله من الخبث والخبائث. Even though you're in IKEA, you're looking for products. Toilet is toilet. Oh, you cannot open it. This one over here cost around 299. This chopsticks over here cost around wine for free. Can someone tell me what is this for? This one over here, guys, it costs around 6,000 yuan for this one over here, as you can see. And here where's the worker works. I don't want them to see me because I'm vlogging, because they might kick me out. So let's just be careful. Hopefully no one will see me vlogging. 79.99 for this one over here. What do you guys think? Is it worth it? 200.99 for this one over here. What do you guys think? It's a curtain. What do you guys think? Is it worth it for 200.9, 300 yuan for this one over here? 400. Wow. What do we have over here? We have over here 199 for this one over here. How to turn it on? Okay, this is how you turn it off. This is how you turn it on. Wow. This light looks very nice. This light over here looks really nice. Price is really nice, by the way. Yeah, this one over here looks very nice. Really looks good, by the way. I like it. Goodness, this one over here looks very cute. 99.99. This one over here looks very cute for 400 yuan for this one. More than $50 for this one. Do you guys think it's worth it? Look at this one over here. Boys might like to buy this kind of stuff. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. It's very nice light. I like it. This one over here changes its own color, right? Wow. It's totally amazing. I like it. This one over here looks nice. Yeah, this one over here looks nice, really. I think so. If I will take, this one. It even changes color from inside. Okay. Guys, because I feel guilty, I bought one ice cream from IKEA. I don't know.